Madison, an engineer here at Zippertubing. Today we're going to take a look at our different track options to help you decide what's best for your application. First up is our Z-Track. Like all of our track closures, the Z-Track is a wraparound system, avoiding the need to disconnect any cables when installing and making reworks a lot easier. The Z-Track is a arrow and channel system, giving a very strong closure strength while staying low profile, and it does take a plier tool to close the Z-Track. Next up is our D-Track. Like the last one, the D-Track is a wraparound arrow and channel system that takes a tool to close. The difference with the D-Track is the fins that are located on the top of the track. It can make it a little bit easier to close, but it does make it less low profile than the Z-Track is. The other difference with the D-Track is the accordion shapes or little undulations that you see to the left and right of the track. And those give you a little bit of extra room if you're going to be bending or if you're going to be adding cables to your harness down the road. Next is our Easy Track. The Easy Track is very similar to the D-Track in that it also has the tabs on top for easy closure, but it does not have the expansion feature that the D-Track has. The Easy Track is lower profile than the D-Track, but not as low profile as the Z-Track, and it also takes a tool to close. Lastly is the R-Track. The R-Track is our only track that can be closed with no install tools. It's very low profile, closes with finger pressure just like a sandwich bag, so it's an easy install on flat and rectangular cables, but it works just fine for round cables. I hope this helped you determine which track is going to be best for your project. If you're still not sure or have any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out to the Zippertubing team.